Age of Mythology is a game of heroes and monsters, mighty armies and epic deeds. Lead your culture through the ages, from humble beginnings in a small village to mighty citadels protected by the power of the gods. Tear down the walls of Troy. Battle giants in the frozen wastes near Midgard. And fight armies of Anubites in the shifting sands of Egypt. The gods, as a token of appreciation, may someday reward you with great, earth-changing powers in Age of Mythology. Welcome to your first adventure in Age of Mythology Retold. Our hero, Arkantos, sent a scouting party to find the warlord Theris, but enemy forces have cornered his men. We must rescue them. Help! Start by moving Arkantos to the checkpoint. Selected units will appear here. Moving into the black area reveals unexplored regions. The minimap shows what you've explored and where your screen is. A Minotaur blocks your path. Defeat it. Heroes like Arkantos can easily defeat myth units, such as the Minotaur.
Volume. Esto.
Jason and Heracles have come to help Arkantos rescue his men.
Esto.
Now, move your units to the next checkpoint. Look out! A manticore watches the road from the cliffs. Your heroes can only attack what they can reach, but Zeus has blessed you with his god power, Bolt. Brilliant! There are many gods in Age of Mythology, each with their own unique god powers.
Vulo.
The scouting party. Quick! Send your heroes to help. Attack move makes your units fight all enemies on the way to their destination. Well done! You have rescued your men. Arkantos' army has found Theris' base. Travel up the road to join forces. Theris' base is just ahead. Defeat the soldiers guarding the gates.
Λέγε. Εισβολή. Πρόσεχε.
The gods have blessed you with Meteor. This destructive god power causes flaming meteors to fall from the sky.
Λέγε.
Behold the power of the gods. The enemy base is in shambles. Now raise it to the ground.
Ετοίμος. Πρόσεχε. Εις μάχη. Εισβολή. Πρόσταγμα. Λέγε. Καλώς.
Excellent work. This space will trouble you no more. Did Varys manage to escape? To find out, continue Arkantos' journey in the Fall of the Trident campaign.